How we do it, you know what I'm saying? Me and my man, my cousin Luke, you know, we do it big dog style everywhere, you know what I'm saying? That you don't even know what that is. That's called that black bear. You never heard of it? Nah, brown bear we gonna call that. And you see the bar, get the zoom in, you know what I'm saying? Get the zoom in. We about to get the little drink on, and I'm getting so twisted tonight. Just starting now, a little bowling joint, my niece birthday party and all that, you know. This nigga Luke right here, I used to change his little nigga diapers right there, no homo, you know what I'm saying? You know what I mean?
You know what I mean? I pull my own way now.
This nigga talking about he could do 10 pull-ups.
So nigga,
did you hear this nigga?
On me like,
he said he could do 10 pull-ups. Nigga
sleeping on me like,
he cannot do no 10
like I can't do 10.
I give him 2, and then he's gonna cry for the next 5. You know what I'm saying? Look, why are you lying on the camera? We got footage, son. I got
money. All right, bet.
For every check it out. For every push-up you do after 10, I give you $1, nigga.
I bet.
You know what I'm saying? So if you do 20, you get 10. If you do 30, you get 20. You know what I'm saying?
Bet. That's all I need to
hear. But back to the bed, we getting twisted up in the joint. And that's it. The reality chronicles. You know what I'm saying?